Hey, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Starting off this workout with some dead hangs. So 165 pounds. Managed to go for a minute. Two hangs at 1 minute each. I won't show the whole hang here, but this was a true dead hang. Sometimes I do a weighted scat pull. Dead hangs, when my shoulder is at a certain point of healing, accelerate the healing of my shoulder. And I'm at that point now where I can do true dead hangs and seems to be helping my shoulder. Next up, doing like a modified Lou raise. So I can do the concentric portion, but the way back down, I can't keep my shoulders out wide. My shoulder pops and gets inflamed really quickly. So going out wide and then in front of me, and I'll try to build those up to doing like a true Lou raise to see if it helps my shoulder. After that, on to pull-ups. So goal today was to try to get up to a PR weight of 86 pounds. So here we go. First attempt at 86 pounds. So it was ugly. I did manage to get my chin to the bar. Second pull, again, not the prettiest rep, but I managed to get my chin over the bar on that one. And then for 3 straight reps here, I managed to get my chin over the bar. So I did 5 attempts total at 86 pounds. Yeah, they were ugly, but they're going to help me make progress. My younger brother, Ryan, I'm stronger on him on literally every movement. Except pull-ups. He can absolutely destroy me on pull-ups. And he always tells me when he's doing pull-ups, there's no such thing as a missed rep, like if it's close in training. Obviously, if it's a competition, it's different. But if you're getting close to the bar, there's no such thing as a missed rep. It's all just good work leading to progress. So you saw in that 5th attempt at 86 pounds, I ran out of gas. So then I dropped back down to 55 pounds and did 4 sets of doubles at 55 pounds. And with these, same as I'm always trying to do on doubles, just trying to be as explosive as possible. Obviously there was some fatigue at this point, but I'm still pulling with everything I got. And then I did another 4 sets of body weight reps. Same thing, trying to be explosive. Now, dumbbell, bench press. So last session I went up to 85 pounds with the elbow sleeves on. This set, this was my last warm-up set, 80 pounds. No elbow sleeves, just a set of 5. And the bicep tendon held up pretty decently. Felt good enough that I decided to go up to just bypass 85 pounds, go straight to 90 pounds. So my top set with 85 pounds last week was 7 reps. So I was looking to try to beat that with 90s if possible. First set I just felt it out, got 5 reps. Then next set 6 reps, and every set I was feeling a little bit better. So this was my final set with 90 pounds, and I managed to get 9 reps here. So super happy with that. Obviously it's not a ton of weight yet, but it means that this shoulder and bicep tendon are really progressing in the right direction now. After about 3 months of just working my ass off and making very slow progress, doing a ton of rehab, all the hard work's starting to pay off, and we're on the verge of making major progress and getting back to full pressing here, which I couldn't say 2 weeks ago, so I'm very happy about that. After that, on to some tricep rollbacks. So I haven't done these for a while, so very light weight, 50 pounds here. Managed to get 2 sets of 8 reps. These felt really good. Dips are completely out of the question right now. They definitely flare this shoulder bicep tendon up. So going to be sticking to things like tricep rollbacks, skull crushers, press downs, overhead tricep extensions, stuff like that. And then the one thing that has really been helpful now, it was a ton of time repping out stupidly light weights on biceps, like 10-pound dumbbells. For the longest time, that's all my left side could do without causing a setback. Finally now starting to be able to add in some weight. So doing dumbbell curls, alternating curls here with 30 pounds. Still not big weights, but it's a big jump from 10-pound dumbbells. And then just finished off the workout with some rear delt work. Got on the back hyper extension and just did them on here. Actually really liked this movement, felt great. After this I did a couple more shoulder side lateral raises, Y raises, and then did a little bit of reverse dumbbell curls for my forearms. And that was it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.